We are pleased to show you the 2017 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.